Go crypto investing where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made computer software trading probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, company philosophy as I'm your most trusted source. That's right, old Vincenzo, for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere, as that's right, old Vincenzo has brought back truth and most importantly integrity back into the trading market, right? And if we look at real quick what's going on as I'm at work, we got the Doge or the Bitcoin. We've been talking about this area down here. See that nice beautiful area down there that we've been trying to bounce off of lower support, like that's happened multiple times in this formation that we're in. If you zoom out, you can see we've had lower support once at about 34,686. Then we have lower support 2 at 36,000-ish. Then we have lower support 3 at the current time frame at 39, uptrending. Then we had uptrending upper resistance, 41,000, 41,878, 48,700, right? So slightly uptrending. And what we have here and what we diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected to help you avert and to avert the criminal gangsters and the market manipulators that have infiltrated the United States government and Federal Reserve in order to knock down and beat down the retail trader and investor and keep the average American working man, woman, and child into a state of submission and government dependency where they can never seem to get ahead. Just like that video, Crypto InSIDER exposes 30-year mortgage scam and fraud, right? You got to watch that. But you can see what we're in is this double top 1, 2, big consolidation and technical target on the breakdown of this. But what we're trying to figure out is when does this exactly break down? Because it doesn't have to break down at any particular time. It can trade within this range for quite some time. But if we do go out and look at a time frame that I do like, the 3 hour, you can see we came right up to that 200-day at $42,380, right? You see that? We hit it once, and now we're hitting it again. But if we zoom into the hour time frame, you can see we hit it the first time and got rejected. Then we pumped back up, and we got immediately rejected, right? So in the lower time frame, the 200-day down here is what I would pay attention to. But the more important lower support is over here. Is this blue ring and orange up lower support, right? Both of this, the blue line horizontal and the uptrending orange are your two major areas, as I do think this is trading down and maybe you're getting topped out, as we did have an upper target. Oh, that's that moving average right there. We did have an upper target up there somewhere. We have it marked down at 44,000, but it was a lower chance of it hitting. And then the upper target, if it came back to this channel, would be up here at 49,000, but I don't think it's going to get up there. I think we're starting to top out now. And this, again, just like Crypto InSIDER a few weekends ago, that posted all the way up here that I didn't like the looks of this, and I gave you the reasons why I thought it was like a gold conveyor belt shaker box. And eventually, as soon as all the gold was out or the sellers were done, the price was going to tank, and it did. It came right back down to this lower support in this blue area, right? And so I would pay attention for that because it looks like we may be starting to top out. The overall market, you can see even in the shorter time frame, we're struggling to stay above the 200-day moving average, right? If we go into the stock market was up big, then it came down big. Now it's starting to have a relief rally. But again, I think the stock market's topping out in the next few days, and I think the stock market's going to be turning around as we got that elusive orange ring up there. We're coming back up now for a classic little double top, right? And then if you draw that out, you can see the classic double top, and that usually implies the next move down. And the next move down in the stock market is going to bring you all the way down to this blue ring at 32,362.97. And conversely, I think that's going to translate into the crypto market starting to get bearish, right? And if we look at XRP, it's been hitting this upper resistance that we've been talking about for quite some time right here. Got rejected, came back up, got rejected. I don't like the looks of this either. Anytime you get this little skinny trading, it almost looks like it's just they're trying to hold the market up long enough to get some suckers in because they know they're about to tank this to the next leg down. And the quick downside support is 64 cents as we move it into the current time frame at the blue or the green ring down there. And then our technical target on a complete pattern breakdown is 19 cents. But in between that and a pattern breakdown, let's get rid of that for clarity, we got this short-term target that is exceedingly turned into a medium to long-range target because it's taking forever. But you got your first move down at 64 cents, and I could see a move back up to here. And your next move down is 47 cents. But I'd be paying close attention as we zoom into the 5-minute, how you interact. Actually, we need to go to the hour time frame. How you interact with this green underneath bottom right here. We're just going to put this on here as a local marker. This last bottom right here, to me, you're going to come down and retest it soon, right? So I'd be paying close attention to that 65-cent level, right, as the next possible move, and that's where it's going to make a decision. Can it hold a double bottom and rally, right, or does it come to the double bottom and flush? So I'd be very worried up here. I'd be very cautious and not buy into the fleece heisters and shysters and a quick little pump hype train that this is going to the moon, because this looks very bearish to me, and I'm going to continue to watch this market for you. Peace and love. Peace and love.